Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. So, we are going to make a snow globe. Now, yours might have something else in it, but this will help you get the basics of what you need to make it look believable. So, we're going to start in the middle of the paper and we're going to get ourselves a nice round circle. Now, it's easier to get a smooth circle if you'll sketch it with a broken line so that you can make adjustments as you go. Trying to bear down on your pencil and make a completely smooth line on your first go round can be really difficult, and it can also be frustrating. So don't be afraid to let it be loose and kind of hairy. All right, from here, I'm going to come not quite to the side, come out and down for the base. And then I'm going to kind of find the same place over here, and I'll come out and down for the base. All right, now obviously our snow globe is rounded, so that means we would need a cylinder for the base. So I'm going to come and I will follow the curve of the bottom of the circle. Now I am going to come and add one more layer. And I'll follow the curve for the bottom of the cylinder. Okay, now I really would like it to have some sections on it that add a little bit of detail, a little bit of color, some banding, if you will. So I'm going to come in, and once again, to make those stripes, I'm copying that curve. I'm copying what's there. All right, and sometimes they have a little plaque on them that say a message. So I'm going to come and put a little metal plaque right here. And you see I'm still staying curved. Ooh, although this side looks a little bit bent. Okay, I put a little pin there that's holding it in place. Now, when you come in to do your inside, think about the fact that it's a whole space in like the middle. So, for example, this area right here would be what anything is sitting on. So, if I wanted to make a castle, I would want to put my castle sitting in the middle of that area so that it's about halfway up what I would consider that oval base. All right. So just a real simple castle. You might want a snowman or a tree or any number of things. Maybe you have like an elaborate plan to make Paris. Okay, and I think we're going to get a little tree right here. Always think about how big things are in relation to the other things that you've drawn. So, for example, I would need my tree to be smaller than my castle because obviously a castle is pretty big. And let's put some stones on a walkway up to it. And maybe a little snowman right here. Just a little figure. Okay. Now we need the glass to shine, so we're going to put a small curved comma. Now it's time to come in and actually draw our piece with our Sharpie. So we're going to come around that circle. And this is the time to really use a smooth, continuous line. Now that you've already used your sketchy broken line to figure out where you needed to go. Okay? And then I'm going to do my bottom. And it can be difficult to get things even, so be patient with yourself. Some days are just easier than others to make things the size and the direction you want them. Okay. And I'm going to connect. Now I'm going to come and get my little plaque. and make the little pins that are fastening it on. Now it's time to come and make my objects that are in my snow globe. You'll notice I didn't do the ground first, and that's because the things that are in my snow globe would be sitting on that ground, so they would be overlapping it. And we'll add some little flags. And a nice articulated line across. A big door. A tree a little bit behind the castle. We know it's a little bit behind because it overlaps and because it's higher up horizontally on our paper. All right, now we do want to try to show where the ground is, where that snow or the ice rink or whatever you've done is. So what we're going to do is we're going to curve around with the back of the oval. And then we're going to do a broken line that gives us a little bit of the idea of the front of the oval, but not the whole thing. All right, and now I'm ready to come in and write whatever message I want and to go and erase and add color. All right, guys. Oh, I did forget one thing. I forgot my reflection. Okay. Enjoy, and I look forward to seeing what's in your snow globes.